Here is an effective push day that will destroy your chest, shoulder and triceps, and that has helped me build muscle and lose over 22 kgs of weight. Starting with seated cable chest fly, this works as an overall warm-up for the push session. Focus on bending your elbows as you go back to keep the tension on your chest. Do this for 10 to 12 reps. Next we move on to machine chest press. Most gyms today have some kind of chest press machine, so use it. If not, you can skip this to the next workout. Focus on getting a proper stretch for optimal muscle growth. Perform 8 to 10 reps. Then comes the OG flat bench press. In my PPL split, I alternate between barbell and dumbbell to get the best of both worlds. Perform 6 to 8 reps of the flat bench press. If the volume feels too high or you are short on time, you can replace the flat bench with inclined bench press. Do 6 to 8 reps of this exercise as well. I do both of them. Next we move on to shoulders with seated barbell overhead press or the shoulder pin press. This targets the anterior delts. Perform 6 to 8 reps and superset it with chest supported dumbbell side laterals for the medial delts. Side laterals should be done for 10 to 12 reps. Then there's an optional chest exercise, standing pec deck fly. This adds a finer stretch to the chest fibers to stimulate growth. Do this for 8 to 10 reps and add partials at the end. To target the medial delt more effectively, we are doing unilateral cable wire raises. This targets all the 7 subfibers of the medial delt. Perform 8 to 10 reps. For triceps, we start with body cable cross tricep pushdown. If you don't have access to both cables, do normal tricep pushdowns. This targets all the head of the triceps. Perform 10 to 12 reps. Next we move to katana cable tricep extension, which emphasizes the long head of the triceps. If there is an issue using both the cables, do normal tricep overhead extension. Perform 8 to 10 reps. Then we do the easy bar skull crushers. Take the bar behind your head for a complete tricep stretch. Perform 8 to 10 reps. And now if you have some extra energy and time left, add overhead tricep extension and standing tricep cable kickback. These are optional but beneficial if you can include them.